Fact or fiction? If the water pressure's good, the plumbing is fine.
No. You can still have leaks. You can still have pressure issues with the house. You can still have shower issues. And so no, unfortunately, that's not that's definitely fiction.
No hot water.
No hot water could be a whole nother issue. Absolutely. Water hammers.
Yeah. Thanks for being here today. We talked about all our dirty little secrets on camera, including information about cock. And
So everybody loves the cock. I strongly suggest you use the right colored cock for you.